everyone, so today I'm going to show how you can have access to different types of stickers that are sent to you or that you are able to download, and how to be able to share that stickers to other people. So the first one is that in order to access any stickers that are already on your phone, you just click on that smiley icon. So once you click on it, you can see this squarish button, like there's a smiley, GIF, and then at the corner there is the square button. Now that stands for stickers, so you can click on it. So for example, I have all these stickers on my phone. So the clock button is actually stickers that you just used. The star button are the stickers that you save as your favorites. And then we have like the different types of stickers collection that you have downloaded in the past. So let's say I want to send this sticker. All I need to do is basically click on it, right? And that's how I can send that sticker. So the next thing that we can learn is that how can I add more stickers? So look at the plus button at the corner. So just click on it. And you can see these are all collections, and so if you want to have access to them, just click on the arrow and then it will be downloaded for you. Now you can scroll as many to the bottom and you can see that you can even get more stickers. So just click on get more stickers and find what you like. And then let's say I want to download this WA Sticker Apps 2021. So I click on it and I can click install. So just wait for a bit. Okay, it's almost done. Now you can click open. And I can see a list of stickers, right? So if I want it, I can just click add me. And so it says add to WhatsApp. Then I click add. So sometimes you would see ads like this. Don't worry about it. Just click the arrow above and click cancel. Okay. So now we can go back to our WhatsApp and see what stickers we had downloaded. So just now I downloaded this sticker. You can see it's already added into my gallery. And I also had this collection as well. So I can send those stickers as well. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is basically how to add a sticker that someone has sent you to your collection. So it's a very simple step to do. So I'll show you that in the next video.